Kamiti ya uiguano na urumwe niyo NCIC nitugiiria Kenya ni undu wa kuiga thayu mbere na hindi ya githurano na oho ni undu wa kwiyumiria na njira nene guthura atongoria aria marenda. Itongoretio ni muikariri giti wayo Francis Ole Kaparo. Kamiti ino ni yugite aria mena mateta megie maumirira ma githurano mabataire kuhuthira njira ingi cia guikia mateta mao no ti kwananga mabiacara na indo ciene.
The unfolding events of the last 2 days are not in the best interest of our nation. There must be, surely there must be better ways of resolving disputes rather than violence. We therefore urge Kenyans, wherever they are, to desist and keep away from any violent demonstrations.
Kamiti ino niyuritie atongoria kiuteti kwariria arumiriria ao kuiga thayu ni amu thayu niguo gitagira mioyo ya andu.
We are therefore calling our leaders to be mindful of the interest of the Kenyan people, their lives, their property, their right to work. And to accept the fact that in any contest there are losers and winners.
Kaparo ni athire na mbere na kuga ni makinyirwo ni riboti cia utheri moru wa mitambo ya ukinyaniria ya kiriu na uga hari andu amwe manyitetwo na ni mekung'ethanirwo nao kiwatho.
We are very vigilant. A few have already been arrested and a few are also under investigation. And if they are found, they will be arrested and charged in court.
Kamiti ino no imenereirie ritana ria mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ria kuuria Kenya matikanathie mawira-ini kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio.
Kesho ni siku ya kazi, navyofahamu mimi, na Wakenya lazima waende kazini, kwa sababu kila mtu kama umeajiriwa ni wajibu wako kwenda kazini ili ulipwe mshahara. Na kama wewe hutaki kwenda kazini, usifikiri utalipwa na unaweza kupoteza kazi.
Gete derithĩria Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.